This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and today I'll show how you can change what flight modes are active or what flight modes are selected on this drone, or should I rather say on its mobile app. So to start, you will need to launch the earlier mentioned mobile application, that is HOVERAir X1, or just Hover X1 I think. Then of course make sure that your actual drone is paired and connected to the mobile app. And from here, go into the Hover tab or Hover section of the application and open Hover settings. Now at the very top, you'll find the green Change Flight Modes button. So tap on it, and here you can select or unselect whatever modes you would like to have active in your mode pool, should I say, or mode selection. And once the preferred order of flight modes or the preferred queue of different flight scenarios is selected, just press save to save the changes, wait for the saved successfully message to appear, and that's it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.